when a 9-year-old is better than you?
Trying to do Braille drop.
Kids these days, man.
All right, guys, we are here today with the world's smallest, best skateboarders in the world. Would you agree that that's kind of your... Yeah, more or less? Well, we have Julian, who is 9, and Quentin, who is 7. Did I get it right?
Yeah.
First try?
First try. First try.
Or was it second try? Oh, I almost fell over. First things first, do some tricks down the 3, then the 5, and then he's going, wait, what are you trying to do here today?
Trying to do Braille drop.
You're gonna do the Braille drop? How tall are you?
Around 4 foot.
Roughly the same height as Carlos.
16 of you make up one Braille drop. No joke.
Wait, what? Fetty what was gonna go down, he goes, yeah, I wanna see that.
When a 9-year-old is better than you, it's a rough day.
Whoa! Do you wanna move on to the 5?
Sure.
He's gonna ollie the Braille drop.
What?
Yeah.
Why? And how?
He's already going! You're already going! Hold on!
Cutest thing in the world. He said, I got it, first tee. Go ahead, do it again.
Yeah!
Woo! Goodness gracious.
Incredible.
You didn't do the Braille drop.
I know.
Think you got it?
Yeah.
You got it, you got it. Oh!
Right here is first try. Nobody saw that. That didn't count. What would it be like to be 9 again? One fall on a ripstick and I can hardly walk.
Oh yeah!
You want a Jamba Juice? No. 20 bucks? No, 20 bucks?
Humble. I would demand 50.
He wants it first try. Right here, first try. Oh my gosh! Have you ever kickflip 5 before?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kickflip the 6. But
Oh my
somehow I
gosh.
can't land it.
You got this, you got this. It's okay, it's okay.
What is that?
He said I've kickflipped the 6, but somehow I can't land it right now. If I did that once, I wouldn't walk for 6 months.
I wish I was that good when I was that old.
I broke my back, Abe. Beat him.
He gave me the rock. I think he's got it right here. Let's go.
Oh, that's it!
Yeah, boy!
Yeah!
First try!
What else should I try?
Whatever you want, dude.
I kind of want to board slide that rail.
Okay, I'll make a special deal with you this time only. If you land it right here, we'll give it to you first try. Okay? Well, better shake on it, because it's not every day that, that you get a first try when you actually do it first try. First try! You have it, you got it. His brother's yelling, full send, full send. This is the future of skateboarding. It's just too easy for him. Even his grandma's stoked. Wow.
I'll try to do 50 on that and then try a little slide after.
Nice shit, banana. Let's go, boy. Ain't no thing, ain't no thing. What do you got now?
Woo! Wax.
I broke my back.
I heard a whisper in the wind says, wax me, please.
It's like, did somebody say wax? The world's longest knee slide. That counts for something.
I broke my back.
Oh, I missed you, my bad.
That's what I'm talking about, Cruz. You're leaving him hanging. This grip tape, though. Sick.
What you doing, mate? Making sure people don't skate?
I'm the board collector.
Do you want me to do the mini ramp?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wanna move on?
Incredible.
Wow.
Let's go! All right, what else you got?
You wanna do it?
Wait, Braille drop? Braille drop time?
Kids these days, man.
Slippery up here, careful.
It's gonna be like flying, dude. And expect a lot of impact on the ground because it's a little uphill, okay? So what you gotta do is you gotta try to flex your knees as hard as you can when you hit the bottom.
Alright.
It's a pretty big drop, dude. So my adrenaline's pumping, dude. He really went for that.
Okay.
He doesn't need my help. Okay, I'm gonna go down there. You good?
How was that?
Good, I'm doing it again.
It's going again.
I'm gonna film from down
Every
here.
time I jump in, I'm like scared for my life. He's like, wee.
I forgot this was happening.
We're ready whenever you are. There it is.
That impact is pretty heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Is that the highest thing you've ever jumped? It's
About,
huge,
yeah.
isn't it?
Luckily, my feet are broken.
9 years old doing a 9-foot drop, man. That's crazy.
I saw you do it.
I got
That,
hurt when I did it. Even when I landed.
Carlos is 8 years old.
what inspired me doing the Braille drop was you, because you landed it successfully.
Let's go.
We're here to inspire the youth, but I wouldn't recommend anybody just go jump a 9-foot drop.
Don't do it.
I'll jump down it on my feet for 1,000.
No, you won't.
That was
killed
awesome.
it. That was insane.
That was fun.
You guys are amazing.
Thanks.
You just showed up everyone that's ever been here.
Really?
Yes?
Even the 6-year-old?
Even the 6-year-old kid. He was really good too. Even
he was pretty good.
Manny Santiago, even Carlos Lastra.
Wait, Manny was here? I didn't see that one. Manny?
Yeah, he's awesome. So are you guys. Well, thank you guys so much for coming. You're really, really awesome. All right, guys, link to their Instagram in the description below. Go ahead, let's go. You want to say anything else for your shout out? This is your one chance. Get the shout out. Really give it to him.
Follow us on Instagram.
He killed it.
Follow us on Instagram. Cali Kids LB with a Z at the end.
LB with the Z.
And also with our YouTube channel.
Yep, go there as well. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to skateboard so you can be rad. Right?
Yeah.
Doesn't it make your life better when you skateboard?
Yeah. Yeah.
Truth.
Bye. Bye.